Hi all, welcome back to the Testing Mentor. Should I move from QA to development? If you're asking this, you're not alone. I get this question almost every week from SDETs and QA engineers who feel stuck, underpaid, or simply confused about what's next. Today, I'm going to give you a practical, no nonsense, experience backed breakdown of whether you should transition and what it means for your career, salary, work life balance, and future opportunities. By the end of this video, you will know exactly what path is right for you. So, why do you think QA engineers even think about switching? Let's be honest, most QA folks don't wake up one morning and suddenly want to become developers. There are triggers. Maybe you feel like development teams get more respect, or you see your dev friends getting higher salaries, or maybe your daily work feels repetitive and you want more challenge. And sometimes the root cause isn't the work at all. It's the project, the team, or the company culture that makes QA feel like second class citizens. But here's the twist, many QA engineers underestimate how valuable and complex modern QA SDET roles actually are. You're already designing frameworks, working with APIs, dealing with CI CD, debugging, and sometimes even writing more automation code than developers write application code. So, before deciding, you need clarity. Are you switching because you're genuinely passionate about development or because you're frustrated? Those two situations lead to very different outcomes. Let's talk about what actually happens when you move into a developer role. First, your learning curve spikes. It's not just writing code. You're suddenly dealing with system design, heavy debugging, architecture discussions, scalability questions, production issues at 2 a.m., on call rotations. It's a different world. Some people thrive in that environment, some get burnt out in 6 months. Second, your performance is judged differently. In QA, you are expected to be consistent and detailed. In dev, you are expected to ship features fast, handle dependencies, unblock teams, and maintain a certain velocity. Third, the competition is intense. Developers often compete silently for promotions, visibility, impactful tasks. It's not a fairy tale, but it's also extremely fulfilling for those who enjoy creating things from scratch. So, ask yourself, do you enjoy building, problem solving, and going deep into code for hours? Or do you enjoy breaking things, analyzing behavior, and designing test strategies? There is no right or wrong, just the right fit. A lot of people just want to switch into development so that they get a salary jump. The answer is yes, but also no. If you are a manual tester, switching to dev can definitely increase your earning potential, but the chances of it is quite remote, right? But if you're already a strong estate, especially one working with Java or Python, frameworks, API testing, performance testing, you're already in one of the highest paid QA roles in the industry. In many companies like Google, Amazon, senior estates earn the same or even more than mid level developers. But you must be skilled. Now, let's talk about what QA gives you that development usually doesn't. Here's where most people get shocked. QA engineers have a unique advantage. You understand the whole product. Developers often see just their module, but you see end to end flows, edge cases, integrations, performance, user behavior. That makes you extremely valuable in discussions, architecture reviews, release planning, if you decide to use it well. QA also gives you a non stressful learning curve, better work life balance in most of the companies, less pressure during releases, broader skill sets, multiple career paths. So don't underestimate your role. How to know if you should switch? Ask yourself these questions. Do I enjoy writing code for long hours without feeling exhausted? If yes, development might be for you. If no, you'll burn out. Do I enjoy building things more than breaking things? This tells you your natural alignment. Do I want faster growth or higher compensation? Then dev can help, but SDET can too if you become top 10%. Am I switching because my company treats QA poorly? Then switching won't solve it. Moving to a better company will. Do I love tech but want a broader role, not just code? Then QA or SDET is perfect for you. Your answer to these questions decides your future. The safe way to transition if you decide to move is don't quit QA in one shot. Don't switch your LinkedIn headline from SDET to developer overnight. Take a structured approach. Start contributing to development tasks in your current team. Fix bugs. Pick small backend tasks. Contribute to design discussions. Study system design basics. Pick one language and go deep. Build 2 to 3 strong development projects. Prepare for data structures. Within 6 to 9 months, you can transition safely. Should you transition? The simple rule is if you love coding, yes, you should transition. If you love analysis, strategy, automation, quality, then you should not transition to development. If you're frustrated in your current company, don't switch roles, just switch the company. If you want money, then learn QA, automation, performance, cloud, and you will definitely get massive salary. There is no superior role. There is only a role that fits you. If this helped you gain clarity, hit like so YouTube pushes it to more people. And if you are confused about your own situation, drop an email. I'll definitely respond to you personally.